just testing a solar inverter. A lot of people call us asking us just to replace the inverter or a price to replace the inverter, and here's a good example of why you can't always just go and replace the inverter when it's got a fault, because this one here, it wasn't working and the owner thought we could just literally replace the inverter and get it going. However, we've done our full testing now and it's not actually the inverter, so I can show you here. This inverter isn't working, however it's actually due to water ingress into the isolators. So there's 4 isolators on this installation, 2 on the roof and 2 at the inverter, and all 4 of them have condensation and water ingress. So here's just a good example of why it's not always the inverter, and you do often need it to be checked thoroughly. And so luckily for this customer, it's not a replacement inverter, it's going to be repaired to a couple of isolators.